Um, should be live. I thought I was going to do a horizontal stream, but I guess it's going to be a vertical one today. I may have not set that correctly in the stream. But welcome in. Let me know if you guys can hear me. My mic should be on, so let me know. It is kind of loud in here. So let me know if you guys can hear me and you guys can see. Welcome on in. Hello, everybody. We are live here in Boston for Rapid TCT. As you guys can see, it is quite happening right now. And I figured today would be a good day just to walk around and look at this nice brick wall. No, we're going to walk around the event. We'll probably stop and talk to a few individuals, people we know. There's a couple things I do want to show off that I've been walking around the last couple of days and seeing some of the cool stuff here that we will show off. But I wanted us to get a chance just to walk around the events for those that couldn't make it here this week and show you guys what all there is in the additive manufacturing space. You know, this is a little bit different than a rep event. So, you know, it's a little bit more professional setting. There's a lot more industries involved here. But hello, everybody. Good to see you all here. Hope you're all having a great day. We got the badge. We are here at Rapid, and we are going to walk around and take a look at some really cool stuff here. Loud and clear. Awesome. Well, welcome in. 3D Medic Vince, good to see you. Da Vinci, welcome in. Gets a little jury and walk around, but still works. All right. I will do my best. I am on the convention center Wi-Fi at the moment, so it may go in and out. I apologize in advance if the Wi-Fi is intermittent. I will try my best. But I figured we'll start on one end and kind of just walk our way through back and forth. There's a lot to see here. A lot of really cool things I've seen in the last day and a half. Pez Liz, welcome in. This is the startup showcase over here. We'll kind of walk through. Like I said, we'll try to stop, but if there's a couple of places I do want to stop and kind of highlight in a little bit more detail. But for the most part, we're just going to kind of walk around and give you guys an idea of what's here. There's a lot of different additive manufacturing, printers, tech, excuse me. Filament companies are here. Manufacturers are here. Software companies are here. All different types of companies represented here at Rapid. And in many different industries too. We will come back to this booth over here because they got a really cool machine, but there's a big of a crowd right now, so we will come back to that booth. But welcome on in, everybody that's just joining us. I'm going to try to break a little bit from the crowd. There's parts of the hall that are kind of crowded right now. Try to give some people some space. I'm going to continue walking this way. This is the startup section, so all these companies here are little startups. Pretty neat stuff here too. It's been pretty interesting to see some of the stuff that I wasn't even aware of in terms of tech and stuff that companies are offering in this space. So. We do have a paper. Hopefully you guys can hear and see everything that's going on right now. If you guys are here in chat, hit that like button, please. Hit the thumbs up. Be greatly, greatly appreciated. Share this with as many people as you want. Help support the channel. It's greatly appreciated. And if you guys feel inclined, there are super chats available. You guys can donate. Those help go back into the content and help me get to other events to show off to you guys. So always appreciated, never required. But definitely go hit that like button, guys. I see there's 8 of you here, only 3 likes. We got to get those numbers up, folks. I feel like it got... I feel like it did get busier here this afternoon. This morning it wasn't too bad. I'm also trying to not start just... Also trying to like navigate people too as I'm talking and walking. So bear with me. I'm going back down this aisle because I want to... we're going to make our way back the other way towards... we're going to end up near the Snapmaker booth, which I do want to show off. They got some cool stuff over there at the Snapmaker booth. Obviously showing off the U1 and its capabilities. We are going to come back to that booth, like I mentioned. And they also have they're collaborating with Print Kits, as you know, Ellie, and also David Randolph, formerly of Printed Solid. And they have a Snapmaker U1, and we'll show this off here in a second, that can make you a cup of coffee. I've also been taking a lot of video to make into a separate video of this week as well, my experiences here at Rapid. So be on the lookout for that as well. Like I said, there's a bunch of different companies here all over the world, people in different walks of life and industries, which is pretty cool to see. We are now at the Snapmaker booth. Some of the models that they've been able to show off. They have quite a bit of selection, quite a bit of stuff showing off here with the models. Lots of cool stuff showing off here. Most of these multicolor or material. Really nice print quality too. I have been to this booth a couple times.
Stay here.
You got Blaine in the back doing some filming as well.
I'm surprised that it's a zipper.
You got some poly dryers here. You got some U1s running too. It looks like there's some maker chips being printed. Is this a plumber's convention? Not quite. This is Rapid TCT. It's an additive manufacturing and 3D printing, industrial 3D printing event, and it also features additive manufacturing and technology on the industrial side of things. So not just hobbyist 3D printing, but also industrial 3D printing too. So here is another Snapmaker with the new top hat that's coming out soon. I don't want to open it up, but there is a latch right there. There's magnets embedded into it so you can have it open. There's Grant, 3D Musketeers.
Who's that guy?
You grabbing one of the jackets?
I mean, I did say I was looking for a custom fit, so I'm doing it just PG.
There you go.
Then I was going to check out the 16 color U1.
Oh, I didn't even realize I was there. Thank you for pointing that out.
You're welcome. Like and subscribe.
That is pretty cool right there. 16 colors. That's a cool model as well. We're going to keep going. We're going to walk around more and see all this cool stuff. We'll walk around inside too. Don't know what these are, but I assume they all press together. Snapmates. Open source snap fit solution for FDM printers. Interesting. We also have Nathan Builds Robots over there fitting people up for track suits. Maybe I'll try my luck in that. Let's take a look at these spool holders here for the U1. Look at these. These are cool. These are really cool. Another Snapmaker here. All sorts of cool U1s here. We'll come back. Another fit of the Snapmaker U1. Here's one that's printing. This is a cool looking machine, guys. I've heard great things about this. Many of you guys I know have this machine. I'm going to be looking at getting one maybe myself. It's tempting. So definitely want to do that at some point soon. Another one with a top hat on. You guys can see. They have such a good display with all sorts of cool models, Christmas models as well. There's the full spectrum print that they did a little bit ago. That was really cool, actually. And then this is also the Snapmaker that can make you a cup of coffee. It's a cool user interface that was set up by Ellie. And this is automated to pour you coffee, and there's creamer as well. So really cool. I got to try it earlier. I had a cup of coffee, and it was really cool to experience. Maybe we'll come back and get another cup of coffee and do a demo. There's some other cool Snapmaker stuff. This is their Artisan 3-in-1 3D printer. 3D printer, laser, and a CNC up here. And there's Grant getting fitted up for a Snapmaker tracksuit.
Yes, you do flip it all through and do it.
There's Blaine in the back. We'll keep coming. We'll go. We might come back this way. We're gonna come back this way anyway to check out the 5-axis 3D printer. Maybe we'll go back this way while we're over here. I don't want to stop at every single table. There's a couple places I wanted to stop and show you guys. It looks like they might have. I think I went too far. I went one more row over. I want to show it off while we're over on this because it's on the one end of the center here. So let's go ahead and look at it.
It's probably something fine.
Looks like they have a little bit of not as a crowd anymore.
Ready for some cold. That's private partner there.